Hey everyone, this is nutritionist Sapna and welcome back. I am a nutritionist and a lifestyle coach. I make regular videos on healthy eating and lifestyle management. Many a times when on your weight loss journey, you reach a stage where your weight loss just stops. No matter what you do, you are just not able to lose those extra kilograms even after working out, even after eating a healthy diet. We often notice that the diet which we took in the first week made us lose maybe around a kg. If the same diet is taken in the second week, you lose around 500 grams. And if you take the same diet in the third week, you do not lose any weight. Now, why does this happen? This basically happens when your body reaches a weight loss plateau. Weight loss plateau basically happens when your body gets used to the same routine, the same food, the same workout, the same timings, and as a result, the progress just stops. What exactly can be done to boost this weight loss journey is to boost your metabolism. We need to consider a lot of things to just kickstart your metabolism, and there you go. Different things work for different people. There is no fixed formula which is to be used for your weight loss plateau, for breaking it. Every person is going to take different time and different method for the same. So today, let's learn about 5 such methods which will definitely be effective in curing your weight loss plateau. Number 1, reducing your carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrate definitely has got a bad name these days, but trust me, it is not bad. Carbohydrate is very, very important for your body, for giving you energy, for your brain to function well. But many a times it so happens that if you keep having the same amount of carbohydrate all throughout your weight loss journey, it might get hampered. Your weight loss journey might get hampered. So it is very important for you to know when to reduce the intake. By reducing the intake, I am absolutely not asking you to go for a diet which is free of carbs, which is any which way not possible. All you need to do is limit the intake. So for example, for your dinner, make sure that you have lighter dinner which is higher in fiber and proteins than carbohydrates. Also very important is to distribute your carbohydrates equally between your breakfast, lunch and dinner and not have it only at one time. This definitely helps in many cases. Number 2 is working out a little extra. So if you are someone who is stuck, whose weight is stuck and just not ready to move, try working out. Try working out a little extra. So if you are someone who is not working out at all, start working out. If you are someone who is working out for 15 minutes, do it for 30 minutes. And if you are someone who is doing it for 1 hour, change your timing of workouts. It so happens many a times that instead of just increasing the workout, even changing the timing of your workout makes a lot of difference. So if you work out in the morning, start working out in the evening or vice versa, and you will definitely see a difference in your weight. Try it out. Hey guys, if you like my content and if you would like to know more about your health, nutrition, and if you want me to make more such videos, make sure you follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 3, increasing the intake of water. Many a times when we are trying to lose weight, we focus so much on the food that we eat and the workouts that we do that we neglect one of the most important things, that is your water intake. Never take it for granted. Make sure that you drink at least 12 to 13 glasses of water every day. Now, how can you increase your water intake? Instead of drinking plain water, which can be boring many a times, try to include some detox water, buttermilk, jeera water, barley water or some vegetable smoothies along with some buttermilk, which will keep you hydrated and also break your weight loss plateau. Number 4 is to introduce some detox drinks in your diet. Now, what exactly are detox drinks? Understand, detox drinks are no magical drinks which will help you with weight loss. If you think just by introducing detox drinks in your diet, you're going to lose weight, you are absolutely wrong. You still need to eat healthy, you still need to work out, you still need to take good amount of water in your diet. Detox drinks will just help the toxins flush out of your body, which can definitely hinder your weight loss process, and hence maybe your body has reached a plateau. Put some lemon slices in your water and have it. Have some vegetable juices, or simply just chop some favorite fruits, put it in your water and you're good to go. The last and the most important, prioritize your sleep and manage your stress levels. I have been repeatedly saying this, no matter how hard you work out, no matter how much ever you eat healthy, if your sleep pattern and if your stress levels are not in place, it is definitely going to be very, very, very difficult for you to lose even those extra kilograms. All you need to do is you need to set a schedule for yourself. I know it is easier said than done, but you have to do it. It is the need of the hour. Make sure that you have at least some fixed pattern of your sleep and you get at least 7 to 8 hours of peaceful sleep throughout, and managing the stress again is in your hands. Stress is a part and parcel of everyone's life these days, but it is always better to take it a little easy and let it go. The best way to release your stress is to perform some yoga and spend time with your loved ones. Okay, so this time I would like to know from you. Are you someone who has faced a weight loss plateau and has actually gone through it and broken it with the help of something else apart from what I spoke just now? I would be glad to know about the various things which you have tried out to break your weight loss plateau. Don't forget to mention in the comment section below so that I can know about it and we can have a nice healthy interaction on the same. I do customize diet plans for weight loss plateaus, for weight loss, for weight gain, as well as for your hormonal issues. So if you have any other doubt,